Hi everyone, I hope you're doing all great and having a good Christmas time. I'm Birgit from Koba.Siani and welcome to this very short and easy Christmas decoration sewing project, a stuffed tree. At first I'm preparing the pattern. This tree is a freebie, so you can download it for free on my homepage Koba.Siani.com. The link you'll also find down below this video here. There are two sizes of this tree. The bigger one is on 2 sheets and the smaller one is on 1. Like all my patterns, the file is made in a size so that it fits on both DIN A4 and US letter size paper. Then I'm cutting the fabric. For each tree you will need twice the tree shape. If you have a print with a direction, like me here, please make sure that you cut both sides of the tree in the same direction. To make sewing easier later, I'm now marking all the seam corners on one of the trees on the wrong fabric side. You can do this like me with a ruler, measuring 1 centimeter within the pattern. Or you can transfer all the seam line corners from the paper pattern. Then I'm folding and pinning the trunk for 1 centimeter towards the wrong fabric side. Then I'm putting both layers on top of each other with their right fabric sides together, and I'm pinning them. Now I'll sew all around the tree with 1 centimeter seam allowance, but I leave the bottom of the trunk open. That's what you see me doing here. The marks from before are helping me now to find the right position of the inner and outer corners. Then I'm trimming the whole seam allowance to 5 mm. Then I'm clipping the seam allowance in the inner corners here, almost up to the seam, perhaps up to 2 mm before the seam line. The same I'm doing here along the roundings, but we don't have to do this very often as the roundings are rather flat. At the outer corners here, I'm cutting off the seam allowance almost completely, off to 1 to 2 mm before the seam. Afterwards, we can turn around the tree to the right fabric side. At first, I'm using my fingers. And then for the corners, I'm using my scissors. But here you have to really be very careful so you won't destroy the fabric in the corners. Then I'm stuffing the tree with some wadding. I'm using here some batting rests from my Ribblr jackets. This is quite practical and sustainable too. As soon as the tree is completely full, I'm now closing with a hand seam the bottom of the trunk. The hand stitching type I'm using here is quite perfect for this purpose. It's quite invisible later, not very stable, but we don't need this anyway here. I'm quite sure this hand stitching type has a name, but I totally forgot it. So in case you know this stitch and you know the name, please write for us in the comments. With my print here, it is not that visible, but it goes like that. I'm stitching through one of the sides along the folding line, perhaps 2 to 3 millimeters with my needle. And then I'm changing back to the other side and doing the same. Then I'm continuing like this until the space is closed. Then at the end I'm securing the thread with some knots and guiding it for some centimeters through the trunk and then cutting it. As these trees look so cute in a group, I've made 2 more of them. Okay, so that's it, we are ready. Thank you for watching this video. Leave me a thumbs up here on YouTube if you liked it. And I'm now decorating my new stuffed trees. Bye, see you in my next video. Take care until then.